Linda O'Leary, wife of Canadian businessman and television celebrity Kevin O'Leary, went on trial today in Muskoka.
She faces a charge under the Canada Shipping Act after 2 people were killed on a boat struck by another watercraft that she was driving. As
Sean O'Shea reports, O'Leary faces a charge of operating the boat in a careless manner.
Linda O'Leary under the umbrella, arriving at court in Parry Sound, flanked by a trio of lawyers, a team led by prominent Toronto criminal defense lawyer Brian Greenspan, for a trial that could take 14 days.
At appropriate times, we may have something to say.
Not here, her husband, celebrity businessman, and television personality Kevin O'Leary. At issue is what happened 11:30 p.m. August 24th, 2019, on Lake Joseph, when the O'Leary couple's boat struck another vessel, leaving a man and a woman dead. O'Leary has been charged under the Canada Shipping Act. It's alleged she did operate a vessel in a careless manner with not due care and attention. The first witness, Dr. Irv Edwards, an emergency room physician from Los Angeles. Edwards owns the boat struck by O'Leary. It's a 2016 Nautique G23, similar to this one. Edwards says he took delivery of the boat just 10 days earlier and was out with friends after dinner on the vessel. After socializing and singing songs, he says, they drove slowly toward the center of the lake to stargaze. Then Edwards testified he heard a boat revving its engines and get closer. He says he figured it would stop, but it didn't. O'Leary's boat crashed into one side. A collision that killed Edwards' friend, 64-year-old Gary Poltash, an American. Edwards testified that the man's skull was crushed in the collision, and there was nothing he or paramedics could do to save him. 48-year-old Suzana Brito of Uxbridge, Ontario, also died in the crash. Brito's family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the O'Learys. The man driving Edwards' boat was convicted of not displaying a stern light at the time of the crash, but federal prosecutors showed video images from the O'Learys' dock, attempting to bolster their case that O'Leary was at fault. Infrared camera video appeared to show there was at least some light coming from Edwards' boat at the time of the collision, potentially critical evidence. O'Leary has pleaded not guilty. This is not a criminal case, but the outcome could affect civil suits against Linda and Kevin O'Leary. In this charge, though, the maximum fine is just $10,000. Sean O'Shea, Global News, Parry Sound.